Imagine a tense situation. Someone yells threats at you, raising their fist aggressively, but they never actually make physical contact. Is that a crime? Many people think that assault always means being hit or touched physically, but that is not always the case. Surprisingly, assault does not always involve actual physical touching. In legal terms, assault often refers to the threat of harm, creating a reasonable apprehension of imminent offensive or harmful contact in the victim. This distinction is crucial because assault and battery are distinct legal concepts, though often used interchangeably in everyday language. Battery is the actual physical contact, whether it is harmful or merely offensive. Assault, on the other hand, is about the perpetrator's actions creating a reasonable fear of immediate physical harm in another person. The key here is apprehension. The victim must genuinely believe that immediate danger is at hand. This fear must also be reasonable, meaning that an ordinary person in the same situation would also feel threatened by the actions or words of the alleged attacker. So, what does this mean in real life? Someone lunging at you, making a convincing threat while holding an object, or even blocking your path aggressively in a way that causes you fear, can constitute assault without physical contact. The focus is on the perpetrator's intent to create fear and the victim's reasonable perception of an impending threat. Understanding this legal nuance helps you recognize potential legal situations and your rights. Legal systems categorize this type of action as an attempted battery or placing another person in fear of battery. The reasonable person standard is often applied by courts to determine if the victim's fear was justified. It is not about whether the attacker intended to follow through with physical contact, but rather whether their actions and words would cause a reasonable individual to believe they were in immediate danger of such contact. Knowing that assault can occur without a single touch empowers you with a more complete understanding of your rights and the protections available under the law. It clarifies that legal boundaries extend beyond physical contact, encompassing actions that instill fear of immediate harm. This knowledge helps you navigate potentially threatening situations more confidently and understand the true scope of legal protections.